Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody emailed me and wanted to know they have to do 500 coasters and they want to vector engrave them. So this line font I found a while back, and it is under, can't remember what I called it. Yeah, right here. Go to pickafont.com, and then when you search, in the search, type in CNC, and this font will come up, and download it into your font folder. It is a single line font. It's pretty cool. Now you're going to have to go to Excel, which I do not have on this computer, which I need to get so I can show this. I don't have Excel. I have Lotus 123 on my other computer. And I just made a file with number in the heading, the word number, and then I typed out 1 through 8, and I made them that font, or I made this that font, which is CNC Vector. Now I'm going to do it the easy way. So then you need to save it as a CSV font or file, and then you're going to go to, I'm going to do it the easy way because I have name it and number it by box it. There is a way to do it by print merge, but then you type in the target, which is the number, and then you just hit OK, and there is that vector file. Now what I would do for this gentleman, he's doing it on the back. You're going to have to make some sort of jig to place them in. I would just suggest, I don't know. He can fit 35 of them in his laser bed. I would suggest cutting out some vector lines to place them on. And then when you go to print, just print the numbers. And matter of fact, what you could do is hold down the Alt key and grab all these and make them a non-hairline so they will not print. Let's even make them black so we'll distinguish them. And then when you go to print, it will only print those numbers. And of course, you can make those numbers bigger, but he needs to do 1 through 500, and this would be the easiest way. Now, I'm going to try to do another video using Corel's print merge, but if you don't have name it, number it, box it, you really need to think about getting it. It's a cool, makes life so easy. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit, and thank you for watching. And also, just so you'll know, these lines are just single vector lines, so they will engrave. This whole page would probably run it in 2 minutes versus, hours or 30 minutes or half an hour of rastering and engraving, because all these are hairline. So he's just going to go through and since you're not cutting them all the way through, I guarantee it'll do it this fast and be done. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.